Welcome to a profound journey of transformation where nature holds the secret to restoring your crowning glory and vibrant health. Oh, many of us face the silent heartbreak of seeing more strands in the brush than on our heads each morning. Hair loss is not just a physical change. It is an emotional challenge that affects our confidence and daily happiness. We often blame age for this condition, but the truth is, your hair follicles might simply be starving for nutrients. The solution does not lie in expensive chemicals, but in the colorful and delicious bounty that nature provides us every day. Today, we explore the science behind 5 specific fruits that can stop hair loss and help you grow thicker hair. And these 5 powerhouses are packed with vitamins and enzymes specifically targeted to heal your scalp and rejuvenate your hair follicles. Consistency is the key to success, and adding these fruits to your daily diet can bring visible results in months. Let us embark on this delicious journey together to understand how food can be your most powerful medicine for beauty. We begin our countdown with number 5, a tropical treasure that is often overlooked but is essential for hair strength. Guava is a miracle fruit that contains 4 times the amount of vitamin C found in your average daily requirement. Vitamin C is absolutely critical because it is the primary fuel your body needs to produce a protein called collagen. Collagen acts as the building block for your hair, preventing it from becoming brittle and breaking off at the ends. While we love oranges, guava is the superior choice when you need a massive boost of collagen building power quickly. Incorporating guava into your breakfast or as a midday snack is an easy way to fortify your hair strands daily. Beyond the fruit itself, the nutrients found in guava ensure that your hair grows out strong from the very root. A healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair, and vitamin C helps maintain the integrity of your scalp skin. You can blend guava into a smoothie or eat it raw to get the maximum benefit of its heat-sensitive vitamins. Imagine the relief of brushing your hair and seeing it stay firmly rooted on your head where it truly belongs. Moving on to number 4, we find the papaya, a soft and sweet fruit that holds a secret enzymatic weapon. Papaya is famous for containing papain, a powerful enzyme that does wonders for inflammation throughout your entire body and scalp. Chronic inflammation of the scalp is a silent killer of hair follicles, often causing hair loss without us even noticing. Papain also aids digestion, ensuring that the proteins you eat are properly broken down and absorbed to build hair keratin. Eating protein is not enough. Your body must absorb it effectively to transport those building blocks to your hair follicles. You can enjoy papaya ripe as a sweet treat or use green papaya in salads for a crunchy, healthy alternative. When inflammation subsides and nutrient absorption peaks, your dormant hair follicles are given a second chance to thrive and grow. Reducing scalp inflammation creates a fertile environment for hair growth, much like preparing good soil for a beautiful garden. While eating it is best, some also use papaya mash as a scalp mask to directly soothe irritation and remove buildup. The state of your hair is often a direct reflection of your gut health, and papaya bridges that important gap. Make papaya a regular guest at your dining table to ensure your body is calm, cool, and ready to grow hair. Number 3 on our list is the fuzzy kiwi fruit, a small package that delivers a massive nutritional punch. Kiwi is exceptionally rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that is crucial for improving blood circulation to the scalp area. Without proper blood flow, your hair follicles are like plants in a desert, unable to access the water they need. Vitamin E helps widen the blood vessels, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently to every single hair strand. Beyond vitamin E, kiwi is also a fantastic source of zinc, a mineral that repairs damaged tissues in the body. Zinc helps maintain the oil glands around your follicles, preventing your hair from becoming too dry or excessively oily. If your hair feels brittle or weak, the zinc found in kiwi fruit can help rebuild the structural integrity. Adding just 1 or 2 kiwis to your daily diet can provide a significant portion of your daily nutrient needs. Its unique flavor profile makes it a delightful addition to salads, yogurts, or simply eaten with a spoon. Improved circulation means that even the stubborn areas of your scalp can finally receive the nourishment required for regrowth. Whether you choose the gold or green variety, you are making a powerful investment in the long-term health of your hair. Number 2 brings us to the bright and refreshing orange, a fruit that offers much more than just basic immunity. Oranges are packed with bioflavonoids, which are powerful compounds that fight against oxidative stress in your cells and scalp. Oxidative stress is a major cause of aging and hair loss, causing follicles to shut down prematurely and stop producing. Bioflavonoids also help strengthen the tiny capillaries that feed your hair roots, ensuring a steady supply of vital nutrients. Starting your day with fresh oranges can jumpstart your body's defense systems, protecting your hair from environmental damage all day. By reducing oxidative stress, you not only prevent hair loss, but may also slow down the process of premature graying. Do not discard the white pith completely, as it contains a high concentration of the bioflavonoids your hair desperately needs. Eating the whole fruit is always better than juice alone, as the fiber helps regulate sugar absorption in your body. Stronger capillaries mean a stronger anchor for each hair strand, reducing the likelihood of shedding during washing or brushing. While oranges are the star, other citrus fruits like grapefruit and tangerines also offer similar benefits for your scalp health. Now we arrive at number 1, the most critical fruit for preventing hair loss, the delicious and vibrant strawberry. Strawberries take the top spot because they contain high levels of ellagic acid, a compound with a very special function. DHT is a hormone derivative that is the primary culprit behind pattern hair loss in both men and women. Ellagic acid helps protect your hair follicles from the damaging effects of DHT, effectively stopping the signal to shed hair. By blocking this harmful process, strawberries help prevent the permanent miniaturization of hair follicles that leads to baldness. This natural defense mechanism makes strawberries an essential tool in your arsenal against genetic and age-related hair thinning. In addition to blocking DHT, strawberries are also rich in silica and vitamin C, further boosting hair strength and shine. Pairing strawberries with healthy fats like yogurt or nuts can help your body absorb these vital nutrients even better. It is rare to find a medicine that tastes this good, making it a joy to stick to your treatment plan. With consistent consumption, you may notice the thinning areas filling in as the follicles recover from DHT suppression. These 5 fruits, when eaten together or rotated throughout your week, create a powerful synergy for total hair restoration. Remember that hair growth is a slow process. It takes time for the follicles to heal and produce new strands. Commit to this natural diet for at least 3 to 6 months to see the true potential of your hair. This is not just a diet for your hair. It is a lifestyle change that will benefit your entire body. You will likely notice your skin glowing and your energy levels rising as secondary benefits of this fruit-rich regimen. Science has shown us that the kitchen can be just as powerful as the pharmacy when we choose the right foods. If you struggle to eat them all, blending them into a morning juice is a quick way to get your dose. Share the secret with your friends and loved ones so you can all embark on this journey to wellness together. Nature has provided us with the blueprint for health. We simply need to follow it to unlock our body's potential. Treat your body with kindness and nutrition, and it will reward you with the vitality and beauty you deserve. Reclaim your confidence and stop hiding your hair. Let it shine as a symbol of your inner health and vitality. Let's review quickly. Strawberries are your number 1 defense, acting as a shield against the hormones that cause hair loss. Oranges provide the antioxidant protection needed to keep your scalp cells young and your blood vessels strong and functioning. Kiwi fruit ensures that your blood flows freely to the scalp and provides the zinc needed for tissue repair. Papaya calms inflammation and helps you digest the proteins that become the very structure of your hair strands. And guava delivers the massive vitamin C boost required to build the collagen that prevents your hair from breaking. Keep a journal of your diet and take photos of your hair monthly to track the amazing progress you make. Here's a simple idea: a morning bowl combining all these fruits with a dollop of yogurt for breakfast. Or try a refreshing green smoothie by blending kiwi and guava with some spinach for an extra iron boost. For dessert, replace cake with a plate of papaya and oranges to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Don't forget to drink plenty of water, as hydration helps transport these water-soluble vitamins to where they are needed. While adding these fruits, try to reduce processed sugars and fried foods, which can increase inflammation and hair loss. Adequate sleep is also a partner to nutrition. Your body does its best repair work on your hair while you sleep. Managing stress through meditation or walks is crucial, as high stress can counteract the benefits of even the best diet. This advice applies to everyone, regardless of age or hair type, because human biology responds universally to proper nutrition. If you can only choose one fruit to start with, make it strawberries for their unique ability to block DHT. Next time you're at the grocery store, head straight to the berry aisle and make an investment in yourself. Imagine the feeling of freedom when you no longer worry about bald spots or thinning patches every time you go out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more health insights. Visit https://www.youtube.com/Dr.LiveWellInsights18 to start your journey toward wellness today. Female pattern hair loss often presents as a widening part, a subtle sign that your follicles are slowly shrinking. Sometimes the issue is not just internal but also external, where clogged follicles cannot breathe or receive external nutrients. This is why the enzymes in papaya are so valuable. They help dissolve these blockages naturally from the inside out. Pairing your fruit-rich diet with gentle, natural hair care products will accelerate your results and protect your new growth. Stronger hair means you can grow it longer without needing to trim off split ends as frequently as before. The antioxidants in guava not only build collagen but also slow down the cellular aging that makes hair thin. Your hair is essentially protein, but it needs vitamins to organize that protein into the strong structure we call hair. For an extra zinc boost, consider eating a few pumpkin seeds along with your kiwi fruit for maximum impact. It is easy to forget how much we have improved until we look back at where we started our journey. Buying local and seasonal fruits ensures you get the highest nutrient content possible, as they are fresher than imports. Store your fruits properly to preserve their delicate vitamins. Strawberries should be kept cool and dry until you eat them. Avoid store-bought juices, which are often pasteurized and full of sugar, lacking the live enzymes your hair needs. Investing in a simple juicer or blender can be one of the best investments for your hair and health. While you eat these fruits, don't forget that a little sunlight provides vitamin D, another essential nutrient for hair growth. Vitamin C from guava helps your body absorb iron from other foods, and iron deficiency is a major hair loss cause. More iron absorption means more oxygen for your cells, energizing the hair follicles to enter the growth phase. Strawberries are a dual-action hero. They stop the bad hormone DHT while simultaneously helping build good collagen protein. Collagen gives your hair elasticity, allowing it to withstand styling and brushing without snapping under the pressure. You will know it is working when your ponytail feels thicker and you can experiment with new hairstyles again. If you are busy, prep your fruit portions on Sunday so you have grab-and-go hair food for the entire week. Pack these fruits in your lunchbox instead of chips or cookies to nourish your hair while you are at work. This natural approach is not only safer, but also significantly more affordable than clinical hair treatments or surgical options. Nature works slowly but surely, building a foundation that lasts much longer than quick fixes or temporary cosmetic solutions. The very act of peeling and eating an orange can be a mindful moment that lowers your cortisol levels. Lower cortisol means your hair stays in the growth phase longer rather than being shocked into the shedding phase. Get your family involved. These fruits are healthy for everyone, protecting the hearts and hair of those you love. Did you know kiwi also helps improve sleep quality? Better sleep means more time for your hair to repair itself. Waking up refreshed sets the tone for a day where your body functions optimally, directing energy to hair growth. A strong immune system supported by papaya prevents illnesses that can often trigger temporary hair shedding events. By keeping your body strong with these nutrient-dense fruits, you protect your hair from shock-related shedding during sickness. The vibrant colors of these fruits are not just for show. They represent different phytonutrients that serve unique functions. The deep red of strawberries comes from anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect cellular DNA from damage and mutation. The orange hue signifies beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for cell growth. Green fruits bring a balance of minerals and vitamins that alkalize the body and support a healthy pH balance. Embracing a diet rich in plants connects you to the earth and aligns your body with natural healing rhythms. If you are monitoring your blood sugar, focus more on strawberries, kiwi, and guava, which have a lower glycemic index. Strawberries are an excellent choice for everyone, as they provide sweetness without causing sharp spikes in your insulin levels. Keeping insulin levels stable is important, as insulin resistance has been linked to pattern hair loss in women. Choose fruits that are ripe but not overripe to ensure you get the best balance of sugars and nutrients. Always wash your fruit thoroughly to remove any surface residues, ensuring you are only putting goodness into your body. Whenever possible, choose organic options, especially for strawberries, to avoid pesticides that might disrupt your hormones. Just as a flower does not bloom in a day, your hair needs time to respond to this new nutrition. The day will come when you no longer dread brushing your hair, but instead enjoy the ritual of self-care. Thicker, fuller hair is not just a dream. It is a biological reality waiting for you to unlock it. These 5 fruits are nature's specific gifts to you, designed to heal, repair, and rejuvenate your hair from within. Do not wait for tomorrow. Go to your kitchen or the market today and start feeding your hair properly. We would love to hear about your journey. Which of these fruits is your favorite? Let us know below. You are not alone in this journey. Thousands of women are discovering the power of food for hair health. Remember, strawberries, to block the hair loss hormone and protect your follicles from shrinking permanently. Remember, guava, to build the strong collagen structure that keeps hair from breaking and snapping. Remember, kiwi, to open up the blood vessels and deliver vital nutrients to the hungry hair roots. Remember, papaya, to cool down inflammation and ensure your digestion is working perfectly to absorb proteins. Remember, oranges, to fight off the aging effects of oxidative stress and keep your scalp youthful. When you take care of your body, it affects every aspect of your life, bringing joy and confidence back. True beauty always begins on the inside, and your hair is simply a reflection of your internal vitality. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today to learn about these natural miracles. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Check out our other videos for more science-backed tips on how to live your healthiest and best life. Eat well, live well, and watch your hair transform into the beautiful crown it was meant to be. Goodbye for now, and remember to visit https://youtube.com/live well insights at 19 for your daily dose of wellness inspiration.